Many German banks have yet to see the writing on the wall. A new generation of technology, customers, and competitors.
We want to be the pirates of banking. Welcome. You are the pirates of banking. There is a need for new banking. As the Web 2.0 development showed us, there is a potential for new banking. I would say this is kind of a typical high street banker. You know, steering his old crappy bank through the wilderness and storm of this event, which he, by the way, caused himself.
Fighting words for the financial sector.
2.5 years ago.
1 year into the 2008 financial crisis, Matthias Kröner's internet-based Fidor Bank opened for business.
Banks are facing the problem of this rapid technology development the world over. Digital natives are coming of age, so we need new banking worldwide.
Instead of big institutional structures and expensive advisors, developers and bankers at cheaper locations collaborate on mobile banking systems. The concept is that future banking customers will use the internet to exchange ideas with others and will want to manage their money easily and directly.
With our service, you can send money from one account to an email address or a mobile phone number, or receive tips on saving. You can count on support for money matters. That's extremely important to us.
With only 60,000 accounts, Matthias Kröner's internet bank is still getting up to speed. It's as yet no match for the likes of Google or other internet giants.
Facebook has a banking license, and the industry is talking about Apple already being the biggest financial service provider in the world, with over 400 million banking profiles. I never did believe that the regulators would only protect the bank, but leave an internet company out in the cold. They get their licenses straight away, and their focus is elsewhere. It's clearly about who communicates best with their customers.
But many savings and loans, private banks, and customers remain skeptical, especially in Germany. 1 out of 2 customers come to their branch in person to do their banking the conventional way. Is Commerzbank, Germany's second-largest bank, worried about the new digital-based competition?
No, but of course we're watching the market trend very closely and we'll be responding to it. That's why we're stating very clearly that we're investing in online capacities, but at the same time in our network of branches. I think that's an asset that Commerzbank has that other players may not be able to offer, at least in this form.
The trend seems to be heading towards fewer brick-and-mortar branches and more cutting-edge service. Among Commerzbank's digital gimmicks and gadgets, a video teller to walk customers through their banking transactions and new online banking platforms. Fidor and other up-and-coming banks are already looking abroad. Today, developers and investors have come from Moscow. Matthias Kröner is planning a subsidiary in Russia.
The German financial sector is very conservative, and even in some African countries like Kenya, there are several generations farther than the current German situation with financial services. But nevertheless, I would say that you can make some fancy things, but this is money, this is banking, and your customers expect some trust.
Fidor Bank will soon be making its British debut as well.
And like in Russia now, we started with the community first, and then there was the banking offer coming in a second step.
These bankers are confident that even Germany's digital skeptics are beginning to sense the changes the information age means for banking.
They are really getting nervous, I can tell you.